Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning Power BI and want to work with the dates effectively, today's video is a perfect for you. You will dive into the WEEKNUM function in Power BI, what it does, like how to use it, and some practical examples. So, yeah, let's get started on this one. First, let's understand what weeknum is. Weeknum is DAX function in Power BI that returns the week number of a given date. For example, if a date falls in the third week of the year, weeknum will return 3. This is very useful when you want to analyze data week-wise, like weekly sales, weekly expenses, or weekly attendance. Fine? Then, yeah, here's the syntax of weeknum. Weeknum of date and return type. What is date here? The date for which you want the week number. Okay. Return type, which means it is optional. It defines how the week numbering starts. For example, if we give it as a 1, then week starts on Sunday by default. Okay. And if we give it as a 2, then week starts on Monday. If you don't specify any return type, Power BI will assume the week starts on Sunday. Clear? Let's see this in action. Now, I have a sample table called a sales with a column order date here. Okay. We want to calculate the week number for each order. So I have created a new column and the type. Okay, week number is equal to week number of sales of order date, comma 2. Here we have used the 2 as a return type. So the week starts on Monday. Now, for each order, Power BI will show the corresponding week number of the year. You can also use, like here you can check it, like for 3rd of Jan means it falls under first week, 10th of Jan falls under second week, and 15th of January it falls under when third week. So on, like 15th of March it falls under 11th week. Clear? Yeah. Now you can also use it as a measure, use it in a measure. For example, if you want to calculate total sales per week, I created the measure here. Weekly sales is equal to a calculate of sum of sales amount and week number of order date, comma 2. What it will do? It will sum up sales for each week. Clear? Here for the week 1, it is giving the weekly sales as 2500. Week number 2, it is giving 1800. Week 3, it is giving 3200, and you can check the data here. Week 1, 2500, week 2, 1800, so on. It is matching here, right? Yeah, that's about it. And yeah, I want to give one tips here. Like remember, week num counts weeks from January 1st. Okay. So partial weeks at the beginning of the year may vary depending on your return type. Okay. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use the weeknum function in Power BI to analyze your data week-wise. If you found this useful, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more Power BI tutorials. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.